Good morning, good morning. Good morning and welcome back. How are you guys today?
Good morning, bro.
Beto, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good? Pretty good.
How's the quality of my voice? Is it good?
New mic?
Yes.
Yeah, sounds very good.
Nice. Happy about.
Great. It seems without any kind of noise, clean. Have I bought this one here for 100 euros and not even using it. And it's very good also, but very hard to set it up. It's making a boring noise.
Hmm.
Then I had to use the one that I have on my headphones.
Nice. Yeah, I got headphones too right now.
So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll make it work one day. Okay, let's see what we have today. Let's see what we have today. I've been waiting for USD Cad for life, my whole life. USD Cad is coming. Hopefully we'll get a break below here and finally have a good trade on Cad Jpy. We're having a lot of rejections. So once we close below, this is gonna be very good. Is your cat clean? I don't think so. No, even without looking at it, I think it's a mess. What? It's not a mess? It looks good. I thought it's somewhere here in the middle. Well, actually, your cat looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I don't know what to say here, except that we're at another resistance. I knew that your cat's not gonna be that good. I knew it. No, too many zones on your cat. Too many zones on your cat, so I'll skip it. Aussie Dollar looks good. It does look good if we have a candle close like this. So we'll see. We'll wait for a breakout here. GBP US dollar looks like GU is also at resistance. We might have a breakout, who knows? Who knows? We'll wait.
So you didn't take EU, right?
No, I didn't. EU at resistance on a daily didn't feel safe to take a sell there, a buy, while it was at resistance.
Yeah, I was actually waiting for it since yesterday.
1 hour looked good, but see
Yeah,
daily right
daily
at
it was
where is it?
right at resistance, but the 1 hour gave me the confidence, and I took the risk half percentage because of daily. But it's at 9 pips right now.
Good. It was too risky though.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be a good idea to do that every day. Yeah, so I think main trade here is gonna be USD Cad. I think so. Just look, we're rejecting a long for some hours, and we haven't been able to break. If we get this candle to close below, I think we're gonna have a nice move to the downside. Then we have Aussie Dollar, a lot of rejections here. Once we close above, I think we're gonna have some more continuation. Also, let's check the daily if we're at any zones. Yeah, looks like there's a small zone here. Daily breakout on GU2. Yeah, we'll see also about that. Looks like Aussie Dollar resistance is just a little above. So we might need a better breakout here. Even though the most recent ones are all here. And that's, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see how big the breakout's gonna be. And GU, yeah, GU looks good because it's a daily resistance too. So if we're able to close above, means we're closing above daily too. That's gonna be very good if we get the breakout. If not, we'll see. If not, we'll see. Yesterday we had a good move on GJ. After this, nothing much happened actually. I'm surprised how Euro NZD did respect all these levels. Surprised. Just look at this. We saw this live happening, but I was not convinced with this candle breakout. Did a retest, went all the way down, closed below again, but see again a weak breakout. Did a retest, went all the way down, closed below this. Did a retest, got rejected all the way down. See what happened after? This candle closed all the way above. Not a good breakout, but closed bullish above the zone. Did a retest, went all the way up. Now we are rejecting this zone. I'm very surprised how good it's rejecting the zones, because usually it's known for fake outs. Yeah, so let's see. USD Cad is on my list here. Hopefully we'll have a good breakout. I think we're gonna have a breakout, but how strong it's gonna be, we'll see. The way it's moving, it's giving us good signs. So waiting, another 9 minutes left. Let's see. CCC, your messages are not good, so you're going to be banned from the chat. EJ looks good too. Let's take a look. Yeah, it does look good, but we'll wait. Right now it is rejecting. We're not really taking daily retest. I don't know. I mean, we haven't had a good chance maybe lately to take a daily retest. But why not? I mean, daily retest. What can you find better than a daily retest? the strongest confirmation is a daily breakout, then a retest. So good idea to take GJ sells. What do you see to take GJ sells? I think this is the zone that we have, same one as yesterday that we took sells. Price came later on, got rejected a few times, then after it broke above. Now we're getting rejected again from this resistance here. GJ sells, we'll see. We are still rejecting this daily resistance. Ash, I just talked about Cad. Just talked about Cad, not taking it because there's another zone just above here. See this one? This one is exactly where this candle got rejected, and not feeling sure about Cad. Let's give me a clean setup, not gonna touch it. USD Cad got rejected. Shame on you, USD Cad, because was about to be a very good breakout. Can you show where USD Cad support is? USD Cad support is where most of the candles are rejecting. So this is the zone. We need a 10 pip clean break below the zone. We have some long wicks, so I'm looking from here. 10 pips breakout, maybe it's not needed, but even a 7 pips, 8 pips would work just to close below these wicks on the left. That would be good. Let's see. EAUZ. Wow, GBP Cad, pretty big drop. You might break to downside. I don't know about downside. There's too many levels. Like we have one here, the next one here. Maybe a close below this. But honestly, price staying in this range for a long time, it's gonna start to not respect zones anymore. So it's gonna be tough to trade it. That's why whenever consolidation box is created, it's better to wait for the major ones to break.
That I have a great idea, bro.
Below. Yeah, go ahead.
I have a great idea. EU is at daily resistance, right? And right now it's rejecting, which means it can be a fake out on Euro USD. And if it's a fake out at daily resistance, that's one of the best setups, or not?
Look, fake outs. You know, if you take a fake out on the 1 hour on Euro USD, first thing is that it's just a rejection on daily. That means you're just selling resistance. But I would do that. The one that you're saying, if we would have a lot of rejection at a zone. Right. So let's say this is the daily resistance. Yes. And before going to this daily resistance, we have a very good zone, right?
Yeah, I was thinking this one.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's not safe. I think even if it rejects, we might still continue and try once again to break. But like I said, I would need a better zone here, more rejections. Then when price would close below in this strong zone on the 1 hour, I would take the retest to continue down or the fake out after it comes. But this zone is just not strong enough for me. I mean, you can still continue to the downside, but not willing to take that risk.
And on EuroCAD, it's almost the same setup, coming back and closing
Your
back.
cat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so your cat has a lot of zones, a lot of zones. Maybe just a break below this would be better. But we don't have, I think, time for that. We don't have time for that. Brexit news. Did we have any Brexit news? Take a look. We need to make sure that everything is good before we take a trade. So looks like we don't have anything on the calendar. Let's see news. Brexit news. Where's the Brexit news? I don't see. I don't see breaking news. Brexit news, breaking news. Yeah, I don't see any Brexit news. Sunak speaking. Who's Sunak? Yeah, looks like we're not gonna have a trade right now. GJS support. USD is dropping a bit. What else? USD Cad is not breaking. Went all the way up, closed bullish. Not a good sign. We might continue after a small pullback. Aussie Dollar. Aussie Dollar got rejected. No trade. Jpy US Dollar is sitting at support. Broken out of support, but in between two zones. Second line, no. But it doesn't say that it's high impact news. Low impact. Like this stupid this Brexit thing. I mean, every day one guy thing says we have hopes a deal's gonna be done. Next day another one comes that says it's not gonna be a deal. Then another day comes another one says maybe we're gonna have a deal. I mean, it's just like they're just playing with us. They're just playing with us
Bro,
because there's nothing happening. Yes.
Syed, can you check out USD Cad? I think it's breaking. It has broken for the buys. If you
Well,
can
it
see that
has
link.
broken and it hasn't broken. I mean, you can say it has broken, but this would be a big mistake to take a trade here. And this is a mistake I did a few days ago. No, but a few months ago maybe. It's not a good idea. Still at support. Just not any important level here that I would say okay, it's breaking. Now we'll continue all the way to the upside. But no, I wouldn't take anything here. We're still in the same place here, same support. I mean, even if you want to take a trade here, I mean, it's not safe. You have a 1.9 pip breakout. So
I didn't check that pip count. The breakout looked strong, so I thought it would be good. Yeah.
that's 1.9 pips. 1.9 pips is nothing. Basically, not even a breakout. We're not gonna rush anything because because a little by little something's gonna come. Something's gonna come little by little. See your US dollar. See, it went all the way up again. It's we're still in the same zone. Can still reject. Can still try to break again. It's not a zone we can play with that much. So we have to remain patient. Now, if you guys try to take sells here, just be aware, okay? Because this support is very strong. It's a 4-hour support too. Yesterday got rejected a few times there. If we manage to close below again, then we might take a look. But right now, no. Right now we have to stay away. GBP Cad is right at support. I don't know what you guys see. That is retesting. What is retest? What is a retest? Coming from another zone is not good. Yeah, I'll just hope that USD Cad is gonna give us a breakout. It's taking too much time now. Look, it's been hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16 hours of rejections. Now imagine once we break, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be very, very good. Where do you live? I live in Portugal. Come visit me. I live in Lisbon, Portugal. Pedro, you wanna meet up? Cristiano? Of course I know. Of course I know him. Hmm. No, no, no. I'm from Kosovo. Kosovo. It's a shame that I don't live in a different country. Like, would have the chance to meet up every day, maybe, and give you real time signals, live signals. I'm afraid if I meet one of you guys gonna ask me for a signal right away. Instead of, can you give me an autograph? Can you give me a signal for traders? Let's see. Patience. Turn on the patience button now. And relax. until a trade comes is patience time. Okay, guys. In the meantime, Fitim, yes, Kosovo, of course, I'm from Kosovo. Guys, in the meantime, I'm gonna show you something because you guys are asking some basic questions, and since we have time now, I'm gonna tell you uh, some basic things. Gonna tell you some basic things because someone asked me what is support, what is resistance, how to draw them. I mean, you guys, when you ask me how to draw support and resistance, why don't you guys think about when I trade live, what I do here? I do the same thing every day. I don't trade without drawing support or resistance, right? And you guys still ask me how you draw support or resistance. You know, when I put these, what I'm doing support resistance. But I'll just give you a small concept here. Look, listen. Let's say we have some candles here, right? So we have created a zone here with a lot of candles. No, this one is too fat. So let's say these are candles, right? This is, let's say, a consolidation box. Now let's say all these candles have also wicks. Let's draw some wicks here. Okay, so we have wicks, right? Where to draw support and resistance is where candles are closed. Don't forget, where candles are closed, that's where you put support and resistance. It doesn't matter how big the wick is. The wick can be too big. It matters where is the candle closing. That's where your support is. Now, what if a candle is closing lower, right? Still, you look where most of the candles are closing. And let's say in this case, where the most candles are closing, it's here, right? So even if it's a candle below here, sitting below, that somehow doesn't count. Still, it counts where most of the candles are closing. Let's say all these candles have big wicks here. Where do you put your resistance is where candles are closed. Where do you wait for a breakout? You wait a breakout to close above. So you need a candle close above resistance. That's a breakout. Where do you enter? You enter on the retest and you expect some continuation. Where do you put your stop loss? Stop loss in the middle of consolidation. If the consolidation is too big, you don't put it in the middle, but you see where is the best place to put the stop loss. Pretty much that's it. It's simple. I mean, everything it's in front of you on the charts. I mean, let's say this is a very big consolidation box, and see what matters here is that every candle is closing below this. See one closed above here, but didn't matter because this is where most of them are closing, and that's where you have to wait for a good setup. So the breakout first of all was very weak. That's why price didn't continue to the upside more than that. See, if you look at the breakout, it's only 1.5 pips, which basically is nothing. If taking a 4-hour bullish position and then you get a close on 1 hour below support, would you look to close at break even or small loss, or would you wait for the hour to close below support? So if we take a 4-hour break and retest and the 1 hour comes and closes back in the range, but 4 hours is not closing yet, so it's good to close at break even or maybe take a small loss, but not wait for the 4 hour, because 1 hour making a fake cut is also pretty strong confirmation. So I'd rather not risk and take close at break even if I get a chance, or take a small loss. Look guys, if you're gonna lose the confidence because you took some losses, is because probably you are over risked. If you use big risk, you're gonna lose confidence because it's gonna be hard to make all that loss back. So losing one trade or two trades, but small risk, 1 or 2%, it's not going to lose your confidence because it's going to be 1 or 2 other trades. That's why we have to treat every trade the same. Not on this I'll go 30%, on the next one I'll go only 1%. Then this one can be bad, the next one can be good, and this can fail, the next one can be a win. So the best is to treat every trade the same. Consistency is what matters after. Louis, what did you take on GJ that you took 15? One thing is that you're going against the rules, so it's not going to be good for the long term. It's not going to be good for long term. And just giving you a small advice. DJ is going to break, maybe, we'll see. We got rejected once, twice, let's see. If we manage to close below the support, we might get a chance. Yesterday we respected this level a lot, and we expect the same thing again. If we break, we expect price to respect it and continue to the next zone. Maybe finally today we are about to continue lower than yesterday. I've said yesterday we came pretty close to make a daily retest yesterday, but we didn't manage to come lower because the daily level is a little bit lower. I mean, it came pretty close, but there's still more room to come down. And today we will see. We will see. I mean, we have a pretty strong resistance here on the left on GJ, so it's not going to be easy. If we go back few months back, we can see how long it took price to uh, break this. It didn't break actually, went all the way up. Then when it broke down, look what happened here. Look what happened once we broke below. Just a retest and price melted to the downside. Then came again, see how it got rejected all the way to the downside. Price came again, got rejected again. It broke above, then we had some consolidation here. Had some consolidation. But see how long it took. Once it broke above, price all the way to the upside. We came all the way down again. Then see what happens? Straight a big rejection. Because this zone is key for GJ. It's key, it's going to be hard. And once it breaks, one thing is for sure. We're going all the way up. Maybe some Brexit news is going to help it, and we're flying all the way to the upside. Right now, it's not very good that we're having we have to trade these zones in between. I mean, we don't have another choice, but it's not that good because we can get fake now because of these daily zones. But anyway, we don't have much options, so we are trading from a zone to another zone. But thing is, if we're able to catch these big moves that happen, we're gonna be good. And they're all simple break and retest, like this 4 hour that happened here. Like if you catch this, you had a free range to the upside to continue. And now the same thing is on GJ. If we break this resistance here, make sure you don't miss it because we're going all the way up. We are going all the way up once we break this. I say every day, and I'm still gonna say it every day. I'm gonna repeat it. The more, the bigger the consolidation is, the better the move is gonna be after the breakout. So it's good that we have consolidations. It's good because once they break, they give us some nice moves. Euro NZD. Look, Euro NZD, a lot of rejections here just gave us the sign that yes, we are respecting this level. If we break above, we might continue to this next zone, right? So this next zone is 20 pips range. It's a 20 pips range. If we want a break and retest, we're gonna want at least a 10 pips breakout, right? Because Euro NZD is a very volatile pair. Even a 7-8 pips would work out since it's Euro pairs, but it's volatile. So better breakout, it's better for us. A bigger breakout is better for us. Now if we close above, that's gonna mean Euro NZD is gonna have a lot of strong momentum, and we're gonna have to enter if it comes right away for retest. But strong momentum means that also next candle can push straight to the next zone, and after that it's going to be not valid anymore. So we have to wait. If we get a breakout, we have to stay here in the middle of the range, so we have more room to push. And 22 minutes in, 40 minutes left. I don't know if it's gonna wait for us, if there's gonna be a lot of momentum. Gold, gold, gold. As always, people are curious about gold. We have created a consolidation box here, but I wouldn't trust gold with anything here. It's very bullish, bearish right now. Daily got rejected. We might have some continuation to the upside. Maybe it'll come for a retest here. Who knows? Maybe it'll come for a retest, and then we're gonna continue to the downside. But I don't know. I'm still not gonna trade it. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but right now it seems like this can be next target for gold. I mean, the more rejections you have, the better it's gonna be. The breakout's not good, but if you close like this, then you can have something like this. It's just an idea on gold, but still I wouldn't trust it to trade. Wouldn't trust it. Cad Jpy, Cad Jpy. It's nothing much on Cad Jpy actually. I mean, there's a zone here on the 1 hour, and we have this next one here just below. USD Cad looks like it's pushing. Cad Jpy is dropping. Common sense. So we'll see. Somebody asked about USD Cad. We'll take a look later. Later after we look these. See. Euro, AUD. Yeah, Euro AUD is still there. I don't know what's gonna respect that level or not. I mean, I've told you before, Euro AUD it's a crazy pair. Look at the movements it does. I mean, it's good. Sometimes you can catch some good trend, because when it starts to trend, it doesn't stop. Makes a 200 pip move in a day. So we'll see. I mean, Euro AUD is good also. We have a good range to fill. Maybe I'll take Euro AUD before. We have 30 pip range. It's good. Not bad. Let's take a look at this. Usd Cad. I'm gonna delete this because it doesn't seem. Oh, we had a break and retest on Usd Jpy. Look at this. But now it's a second retest. See how it did a retest? Actually, it did two. This is the third one. How did we miss the first one? But yeah, it was a weak breakout, 1.6. Anyway, it came after for the retest, rejected 11 pips, came again, rejected another 13, 20, 12 pips. Now it's the third time. It is the third time. What if we break back below? I wouldn't take it because the 4-hour level is all the way back down here. So we can still continue up. Would you take that? The first retest, yes. The first retest, I would. I would take the first one. Then second one, if it would be a 4 hour, not the third one. Yeah, of course I would take that. It has to be bearish to come for a retest. So yeah, I would take that day in, day out. If it wouldn't come for a daily retest from a daily zone. As always. As a daily zone from a daily zone. Is this not fake out in Usd Jpy? The retest was very small. No, I mean it's a slow pair. Even tempo projection can be accepted here. If it breaks below, I don't know. I wouldn't be very confident to take it because of the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. The zone on the 4 hour is a little bit lower, so we can still continue to the upside. You know, what I would like to here, this kind of scenario. Something like this, then the next candle would come all the way above, make a retest, and then continue all the way to the upside. This could have been the best setup to happen here on Usd Jpy. If that was GJ, would you have taken the same setup? I don't understand, guys, what you guys saying. For which one you're talking about? If I would take this, because this I wouldn't take this. I don't know what you guys talking about. Oh, after all these candles, no, it wouldn't matter. It doesn't matter because it has to come bearish to be bearish to come for a retest. It wouldn't matter because of this. This wouldn't matter. No, if this would be GJ, yeah, I would still take it. Why not? Unless it would come from another zone. Other than that, I wouldn't have a reason why not. Even if there are 5, 6, 7, 8 bearish candles, would make sense. I mean, one bullish candle and it passes all of them. Do you trade news or avoid them during release? We avoid news most of the time because you can't predict the news. So trading news would be gambling, basically. GBP JPY is pushing down. Hope we have a breakout like yesterday. Maybe the same. Maybe the same as yesterday. Who knows? We'll see. Your pairs not that strong right now, except USD and EA. They pushed a bit, but still it's rejecting. It's good. The more it rejects the EA, the better it's gonna be when it breaks. Cad Jpy breaking support, but it has another one just below here. If Cad Jpy would come and close below this, I would take the retest. This would have been good. Then expect some continuation. You make trades when you're out of live stream? Yes, I do. I told you before. Whenever they come during London or New York session. Would we expect a range day? Yes. Because US holidays, right? Do you have my FX book? No, I don't. Yeah, Aussie Dollar still rejecting. Still rejecting this. I mean, it's good for us. The more rejects, the better it's gonna be. Like, surprised how price rejected 3 times this support here on the 4 hour. This consolidation box still couldn't break. We'll see this. Why do you like GU setup? GU is in between two zones, right? As you can see here. It's different if you want to ignore them, but I don't want to ignore them because they can cause you a lot of trouble after. You ignore them one day, the next day you get punished. This is why, look, when you see all this rejection, how can you ignore this when you see all these candles rejecting the same level? It can always work, but it can always be very risky also. Because I've seen it a lot of times. Oil, no idea about oil. No idea. I don't know. Maybe on the long term, something bad's gonna happen about oil. Electric cars are becoming stronger in the market. I mean, a lot of people are buying electronic cars. I heard that in Germany, I think, he said that by 2023, there's going to be at least 100 million electronic cars. So, I don't know. Are you bullish on Euro USD? I am not bullish. I am neutral. Neutral. Because there's nothing official yet. We're just rejecting supports and resistance. and we don't have a clean breakout. GJ only. I think only GJ is coming and trying to break this support. Electric, yes. Thank you for telling me the word because I was using wrong word. Electric cars. That's right. AUD looks like a break and retest on the 4 hour. What do you think? I think skip AUD. The spread is too big, it's not worth trading it. Spread is too big, it's not worth it. Took a trade once, took too much time to work a few days ago, and it was a very good setup, and still took too much time. Let's see, maybe GJ is gonna give us something, who knows. We're coming close to the next hour, another 20 minutes patience. Phil, you just got 14 pips on Geo. Well, I don't know. Congrats, maybe. But like I said, it was not a good setup. You use magic keys too? Yes, I do. Here's the magic keys. I don't know if you can see it or not. I want to have a keyboard, a whole keyboard, you know, with pairs maybe, enter, buy button, sell button, but a whole keyboard. That would be awesome. But not with a crazy price. Not with a crazy price. Price that most of people can afford. Are you considering to put all your trades on the Telegram group? Luisa, I don't understand your questions. What Telegram group? My group? Because my group, yes. TJ taps 139 to 40. Will you skip it? No, I think 150 is gonna be the main zone here on JJ. Is Magic Key worth the money, worth the price? I'm planning on buying it. Well, I think so. I think so. I mean, risk management is way more easier with Magic Keys. It takes less time now. You have auto break even, pending orders. You can change pairs. There's a lot of different things here. You can watch a tutorial maybe, and also there's some updates now. Can tells you the whole risk for the day, all these kind of things. What do you think? How much you can grow C Trader in this month? I don't know. It depends how many setups we're gonna have. Like we're 2.25% in profit now. I was at 5, then got some losses, but still there. Uh, this month, I don't know. We have another this week, and yeah, we have this week for this month. We'll see. 3-4% maybe we'll finish this month. What were you using to measure your risk before Magic Keys? Nothing, just my brain. Didn't have any indicators or anything like that. GJ is coming. I like this. It's gonna close very good. I hope it stays here. That would be perfect. A clean 10 pips breakout. And we have some more room to drop to the next zone.
Set.
Yes, pay too.
This looks great, or?
Yes, it does. It does. If it stays like this, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good if it closes like this. Do you like GJ more than GU? Yeah, maybe I do. Are we gonna have a 4-hour close? No, not yet. 4-hour close is in another hour at 11 a.m. I like GJ better, yes I do. GJ is my favorite pair actually. It just doesn't give me setups every time, so gotta be patient with it a lot. Very patient.
Yeah, I think also EU will work out, but it was too risky.
No, EU can go to hell. I don't want to trade EU. GJ is gonna give us quick pips, and we don't have to wait that much.
What about Cad Jpy? I mean, it takes a lot to like move. Yesterday it just ranged, but what do you think about it? Like, it looks like it was in a little consolidation box of 8 hours.
Cad Jpy. We are in between these two zones. The thing is, we don't have a very big range, like 10 pips the whole range. Like what we're gonna go for if we take the retest of this zone, 5 pips, 10 pips. I
Yeah.
mean, we're almost there. We have another 4 pips to reach this next support. So that's what I said a few minutes ago. A break below this would be clean breakout, a retest, and would have a bigger range to fill here on the left.
I see.
But other than that, in this, I know we've had a lot of rejection in this support, but next zone is too close. Next zone is too close. If we break this one, then we have a 15 pip range, and we can also continue even lower than that. So let's see GJ. It's GJ is pushing too low. Pushing too low. I don't like it. Let's stay here, GJ, for another 10 minutes, and we'll take the retest. How do you put your stop and stop loss and take profit? Easy. If price comes for a retest here, you put stop loss above resistance, right? How many pips? It depends. Is 15 pips enough? I think so. If price breaks below this support, or if price closes, let's say closes above this zone, you wait for the retest. Where do you put your stop loss? You put your stop loss below support. You give it a bit of room to breathe. You you see where price can come maximum, just to protect your entry and not get stopped early on. So you put your stop, let's say below the breakout candle. Not every time below the breakout candle, because sometimes it can be too big. Just these things are easy to see how I do it. You have a simulator session I did on the weekend. You have hundreds of live streams. Most of the time we have taken at least a trade in these webinars. Some webinars also 3 trades a session. So we have plenty of examples how to put stop loss or break even or take profit, and when to go break even, when not. This has to be good because Aga is gonna pass the challenge. 1% left.
Yeah, so good. It looks pretty good. It's not moving too fast away, but sometimes it moves in the last minute, and I hope it will just stay like this.
Yeah, because you can start to reject last minute. I mean, there's 9 minutes left. I mean, everything can happen this in this last minutes.
Yeah, and for everyone who is trading double top, isn't this a double
This is triple,
triple?
triple, double, one. I don't know. Double tops are when price comes at support, rejects, comes one more time, then they say it's a double top. I mean, it's just a rejection. I don't know.
Yeah,
There are
for me this
so
was
many, so many different ways to trade.
yes.
Yeah, but a double top would be also this one.
Oh yeah, yeah. Mine fake double top.
Beichu, you know how many ways I've traded until now? You have no idea.
You?
Yeah, I still
Bro,
have indicators, plenty of them sitting there on the MetaTrader. I tried everything. Trust me, this is the simplest way ever you can find. I
yeah, bro.
I tried the harmonic scanner. You know, harmonic scanner was kind of like this, a double top or double bottom, something like this. Like
Oh, is it this one thing like it looks like this, and then that, and then
Yeah.
and then it sends this.
No, just put the line here,
Yeah.
like a butterfly.
Oh, I see, I
Yeah,
see.
it would be something like let me see if I can draw it. Harmonic scanner. It would be something like this. Something like this. Then I don't know, something like this. I forgot now. But it would find you these patterns on every pair, and
Yeah,
then one first time it worked, and then like 20 times it failed.
yeah. I think IML is selling this patterns, this harmonic patterns. I'm not
Yeah, a
sure
lot of
about it, but
people sell that pattern, that
yeah, someone on Instagram
indicators.
tried to sell me this harmonic pattern. He was like, "That's the M strategy." I'm like, "Bro, just show me
Uh,
your results, you know." But he was like, "No, I can only show it to you when you come into the strategy group." It was IML, and I'm like, "Yeah,
no. I want to sell you this thing. Okay, show me how it works. No, I can't. First, you have to buy it, then I'm going to show you.
yeah, something like that."
uh, Elliott Wave. I didn't really try, but I looked at it. It's not. It didn't fit my style of trading. So just like this break and retest, somebody doesn't really like it. It doesn't work for somebody. It's a it's a logical thing. Not every strategy is gonna fit your trading style. So you need to adapt in one of them. One of them is gonna work for you, but try to find a good one. Bitcoin, what happened? Did it drop again? Did Bitcoin drop again? Of course. You see, this
Wow.
is this is a thing that many people don't understand. Look, price went to 19K and everyone went crazy. So I am sure so many people bought Bitcoin around here. I am very, very sure that a lot of people blew money. Now, see, they never wait, they never learn. Wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. People get too emotional. Once Bitcoin pushes, everyone goes crazy. Like, even my brother sent me a pic of Bitcoin. Leave it, because you never know. See, it's unpredictable. I don't believe that people closed Bitcoin or sold it, or because everyone is expecting it to go to 100K or God knows. They're just saying leave it. Whatever happens, they expect to go. I don't know where, but nobody is pleased with Bitcoin coming only here at 20K. They want more. It happens every time. It happens every time. It's like buying resistance, but people have no idea about it. They just see that Bitcoin is pushing, it's at 18K, and they go and buy straight away. Citibank analyst said it will be 300K 2021. Well, I don't know. We're almost at the end. We're gonna need to push 200K to go there.
Who's bank analyst?
Yeah, I don't know who's that guy. I just know that I don't want to have to do anything with it. If it comes to 1K, I'll buy some bitcoins.
Know what I know? That I'll take DJ.
Yeah, if it comes to 1K, I'll buy with some bitcoins because it's not gonna go lower than that, probably.
Oh no, just yeah.
No, don't push. I'm afraid next can is gonna push straight to the downside. Drop too far. Why? No, I thought the price was different from TradingView to C Trader, but no. Dan Moses, I told you on Instagram, man. Which broker? I told you. Pepperstone. You left me a message on Instagram. I told you use Pepperstone.
Other than GJ, we have GU and Zero Cad, but I don't know.
G just coming too low.
Bro, Gcad and GU also look good.
Ash, what's with you and GCAT? You love GCAT too much.
No, I'm just saying that if GJ doesn't work, we can like take Gcad or GU.
Yeah, I mean, GU's not bad. It has a 5-pip breakout. No, GJ is better, I think, because GJ made a 10 pips breakout and GU only 5. GBP Cad is at support, so it didn't break. See, GU, it's only 5-6 pips below. GJ has a 16 pip breakout. So I think GJ is good. Better. The only problem is that it came too low. I mean, yesterday it did the same. I think it has more room to drop, but I don't know if this is gonna have some effect on GJ now, because yesterday I was sure that we're gonna continue because it was a different situation. We had a very good momentum, big drop from GJ, expected some continuation. Today it's a little bit different because yesterday we had 3 more candles added to this zone here, rejecting it. So now it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different, I don't know. Having talked a bit to take the retest. Even though I think this is a very strong zone. Yesterday it took very long to break. And a lot of rejections after the first one. The 4-hour came again. It's a 4-hour level. I mean, what if we wait for the 4-hour? That would be even better. Unless it comes to the next zone, which wouldn't be a good thing.
Bro, GU is coming.
But we said that it's only 5 pips breakout.
Yes, but 5 can also work. Like sometimes we do take 5 pips breakout.
Depends on GBP pairs. GBP pairs, so we like 10 pips at least. No, I'm not taking it. Not taking it. I'd rather take GJ at least. It has a good breakout. but it just came too low. I mean, if it does a whole pullback of 15 pips, since it didn't move to the downside at all, that's a good thing. If it comes straight away, yeah, lots of rejection at 240. It's a bit risky maybe, but the main zone is lower. I mean, look, these candles rejected from here. This one. I mean, this one is just here. But if you look at it, this is where most of the rejections are. This is a big zone. If it comes, shouldn't disappoint us. Shouldn't disappoint us. Any news? No. We don't have any news coming up. That's good. No, you didn't miss a trade. No worries. Yeah, see on the 4 hour, the zone is lower. The zone is lower. GJ is coming. We need to make a decision here.
I'll take it, bro.
GJ is coming. Needs to come at 400 at least, and I think it's coming. I don't know if I'm gonna risk it or not. UK minister is expected to speak. I don't know. Range day, can it go up again? It can. It can, and it can reject. Both things. But if somebody's gonna have a speech, it's a bit risky.
Doesn't show it nowhere, though.
Because it's already their price, 400. It's coming there. You know what? I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna enter sells here on GJ. Took a sell on GJ. Gonna risk it for the biscuit because you know, without risking, we're not gonna go anywhere. Risk it for the biscuit. Risk it for the biscuit. It is a good breakout, no doubt about that. It's a great breakout. it's a holiday, US holiday, but I think my GJ already moved 50 pips. Why not move more? I mean, we broke below this level. This level is very strong. What can we expect is some continuation. I think should reject at least like 10 pips. Should reject at least 10 pips. Let's see. This time, if we get to this point and turn bearish, I think we're breaking this zone too. But we'll see. I expect at least a 10 pip rejection here. At least a 10 pip rejection, because this zone is too strong to not be respected. It's too strong. Look, every time price came to this zone, look what happened. So expecting the same thing. Here even price came to the next zone and still got rejected. And now we didn't come to the zone. We are, I think, still in the middle, so we have still more room to drop, I think. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm expecting at least a 10 pips rejection. 10 pips rejection. Stop loss, maybe there's no need for 15, but letting it there just in case. Does this make sense to you? Let's take a look. A wrong chart fit him. Wrong code. Let's see. I mean, is the first 10 minutes. It's the same thing as yesterday. We got the retest right away. And now we'll wait for this to move. Some patience maybe. If this is going to be a fake out, there's only one thing. This is either going up or down. There's two things. So if it's going to go up and be a fake out, it needs to close all the way above. And I don't really see that happening right now unless some kind of news come up. But we should reject the zone. It looks clean actually. It looks clean. Still have more room to push down. First time we're touching this, we're making the retest. We should have some rejection, at least on the first time, like a 10 pip rejection. After that, we'll see.
You know what I like it there instead?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this 1 hour candle has no bottom wick, so it must create a wick most of the time.
Yeah, most of the time it does. But that doesn't. That's not a sure thing.
Yeah, of course not.
Yeah.
But it gives me my more confidence. I mean.
Yeah. Gives more confidence. For me, it's more important the previous wick, the breakout candle, to have no wick below.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
me,
It's also another complaint, like
yeah,
DJ on I think Tuesday.
yeah, that's even a better thing, a better confirm. Yeah, that one, that one also was good. It's on the same level. See, all the breakouts and the retests that happened on this level worked except this one. This one was a fake out, but it closed back in the range. Rejected, rejected, rejected again. Then we got closed above. A good close. This time it closed also above this. So it was even better on this candle. A retest went all the way up. Unfortunately, I closed around here. Didn't want to hold because of the time. It was 4 p.m. I think, almost 5 p.m. So I said, okay, I'm just going to close everything, leave for tomorrow. Then what happened? Price came again rejected, all the way up. Came again got rejected. Yesterday we had a breakout, did a retest, continuation. What happened after? Price came all the way up, 4 hour, got rejected again, closed above, didn't make any retest, straight to the next zone. This is a daily retest. What happened here? We got rejected from that daily resistance. We do have more room to push down because we have a daily zone around here. And what happened? First time we got rejected. See, price pushed up. This move was a rejection. What happened now? We have a breakout. Price closed below. We have like a minor zone here. I hope that's not going to be a problem. But I think the major one is below here. On the 4 hour, you can see it clearly. And other than that, we have a clean breakout, more than 10 pips. This should be the retest for some more continuation. The only time I would think about closing the trade would be if this current candle would break back in the range. And a fake out needs to be just like a breakout, a good close back in the range, not an indecision candle. So let's see if the retest right this candle starts to reject. That would be the best, because more time it takes, stars, to become a little, to give doubts, right? Because the more it stays to this zone means that price is trying to break that zone, right? So when we get rejected first time, it's always good. The magnet is on. Let's see if it's gonna start to work. but we gotta give it time, give it more time, because it's just the beginning of the hour. Actually, it's 20 minutes, but still way to go. Still way to go. These late times, recent times, most of the time I'm waiting for the move after the first 30 minutes or last 30 minutes, because that's what's happening most of the time. But like I always say, even if it doesn't reject first candle, it can always reject on the second one. So we'll see. Is there a reason your take profit is there? Yeah, because that's the next zone. This was the first, then this one is second. I expect if price breaks this to come here. So this is for the runner, because most of the pips gonna be taken at a level where I am pleased. Still there, still there. Gotta wait a bit. We need patience, patience, patience. As long as we stay below, we're good. Once we start pushing above, that's when it becomes dangerous. But this is a very strong zone. We'll see how it's gonna act here. He said we gotta have at least a 10 pip move here. We need at least a 10 pip move. It's taking some time. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, wait for me. Still there. Still there. The magnet is to take this to the downside.
Yeah, somehow it's working, right?
A little bit.
It works.
A little bit. It works a little bit.
It's hard. This guy is working yesterday, today, you know? He needs time.
Yeah. He's doing too much work. I'm gonna remove it because it's taking too much place. People are then confused. What is that? What is this magnet? What is this for? Just a joke. Let's see. 30 minutes went by. Now we have to start little by little drop. Little by little. It's very cold. Double the magnets? No, too much. Take too much place. Let's see. We're still good. I think we are rejecting. It's good. Not pushing straight. It's a good sign that we are respecting the level. More time we spend below, then we'll just have a quick drop.
Sad, I got a question for you, not trading related, but when you start to stream, did you start with Twitch or did you straightly start with YouTube? Like
No, straight YouTube.
straight YouTube.
Yeah. No Twitch. I opened Twitch once, posted a webinar there. But no, I opened then a YouTube, started little by little, you know. First streams had like 20 people. There are some people here who are from the first day of streams. If you look at the streams, like the first week was 20, 30 people, 40. After a week I went like 60 people. Then the next second week went to up 100 people. Now we're getting 40, 400, 500 average. We must have done something good. When already in trade, never zoom in the lower time frames to see what's happening. No, there's no need, because just confuse us. We might see something we don't like on lower time frames, so better not watch them. Stick to 1 hour, because we took the trade on the 1 hour, right? So we have to stay on the 1 hour and see what happens, because 1 hour gave us the confirmation, and 1 hour has to give us the confirmation if it wants to go against us, let's say. Because you know, people, first thing they start the trade is with fear. They right away think, what if it goes to the opposite of me? Why don't you think about what should you do if it goes in profit first? You know, think positively. Go with the positive side first. The negative is always the last. What happens if it goes against me? Well, we have good signs until now. There's no need to think of that. Once this candle pushes all the way above, that's when we start to think, what should we do now that price is pushing against us? Or is about to close back in the range or something like that. So yeah. Well, right now we're good. I think we're good. We're having some consolidation here at this zone. This can be a lower time frame consolidation. And then slowly we may start to move to the downside. If not, if this is going to be a loss, it's just going to be another trade. So guys, one trade shouldn't define you as a trader. Or one trade shouldn't define, just another trade. Okay, just another trade. Whatever it is, a win or a loss, it's another trade.
Another one.
So this shouldn't define you. Don't put everything in one trade.
Oh, not full margin?
No, only 80%.
Yeah, this looks good. It's kind of like probably creating resistance on lower time frames and still respecting the level.
Yeah,
DJ
that can
tends to move in the last minutes. I'm expecting a drop in the last minutes.
I mean, remember every time we're having a trade, we're always saying, next time, remember that it took time.
Yes.
You know, that's what we said yesterday also. And every time the same thing's happening. We gotta have patience, you know. Whatever happens, we need patience to see what happens. We can't expect a straight move, even though we like to have a straight move. We don't like to wait that much, but at the end we have to. We have to wait because it can take time. It's a 1 hour setup, so it can take up to an hour at least. Sometimes it gets done in 10 minutes, but sometimes it might take more. You can change the 5 minute time frame. Oh, I didn't know that. Where can I find the 5 minute? Let me see. Can't find. I only have 1 hour, 4 hour in the daily here. Slowly, slowly coming down.
It sounded like coming home, I'm coming home.
It's taking some time. Let's go, GG, let's go. Give us at least 10 pips. At least 10 pips. Slowly, slowly coming down. You guys have any plans for Black Friday? Anything to buy?
We bought a few things, not waited for Friday because it's already this week, right? Like started this week.
Yeah, it started this week.
Bought a few things. I'm gonna write it down.
How many pips do you aim to take on each trade? Depends what we have on left. Depends where the next zone is. Usually in the next zone. New wife? No. That's wrong. Only have one. No
And
plans to replace. You're saying to bring the magnet man back, but if he can't do the job, he'll take the blame then. It's not good.
never thought about that.
Okay, let's put the magnet man. If it doesn't work, he's got the blame then. It's not our fault. Yeah, we'll just fire him. We'll just fire him and bring another guy.
You bring another guy?
Yeah, maybe a new guy that holds the magnet better.
Bro, bring Mr. Sanders.
Oh,
Mr. Sanders. Oh, what a great
Mr.
trader.
Forgot
Beitu, you're
about
in it.
him.
I totally forgot Mr. Sanders, man.
Beitu,
Yes, bro.
you're in DJ.
Bro, how about you? Are you in?
Yeah, man. I'm asking you.
Yes, I'm in.
Oh, good.
Oh, point 385 is my entry right there where it is.
Nice.
I'm trying to find something. Trying to find a new guy holding the magnet.
Someone with better luck.
Yeah, better looking. Looks like me a bit, actually. Without a beard.
So yeah, you got the sun in your face. You look like an angel, man.
No way.
That's a sign of God that the trade is gonna work out.
Might be true. What if it doesn't? What am I if it doesn't?
You become a normal person instead of an angel.
No.
Or
Don't
it's still the
compare
same
me
guy.
to them. I'm only human. But I'm only human.
That's a song, right?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, we got a new guy in the house. Let me see. New guy in the house.
This new guy is working really good.
See, this guy now is gonna do the job for us. Replace that one because he's taking too much time.
Oh, but he is too big. Oh no.
This guy is bigger. He's stronger now.
It looks like a Citibank analyst.
Yeah, he looks like a trader. A fake trader with a suit on. Real traders doesn't wear suits. They are just like you. FOREX news just dropped? Really?
No way.
No way, now GG is gonna go to the upside. British pound outlook hinges on Brexit progress at a key deadline. I don't know. Looks like it's not really having effect on it.
Oh. There was a news one and a half hour ago. UK should not be threatened Brexit deal at any cost, but nothing happened.
Now this doesn't look like a straight Brexit news, you know, the ones that we are used to.
Our guys
High impact. Let's go GG, at least a 10 pip move, at least. Please, at least. 3 pips. 3.4, 3.5. Let's go for 4. Anyone 4? No? The new guy, what percentage does the new guy charge? I'm not paying him, you know. I said to him, if you make this work, I'm gonna give you some small percentage. If it doesn't do the work, he goes home. Nothing for him.
No, he's working. He listens to you.
GJ starting to move on the last minutes as always. What a coincidence. What a coincidence, starting to move at the end of the hour. No way, this can't be happening. Now it starts to push up and we get exposed.
You have to give this guy more percentage.
Let's see, we still have time. You know, good thing is that we're staying below, right? So as long as we stay below, we still got a chance. Still got a chance. Even if this candle doesn't give us enough, the next one can push to the downside. So let's see. We have 4, 5 pips. Now 3.
Now 2.
Now 2. 2.5. Now it's gone. We lost everything.
No profits.
Look. Let's stay with GJ, okay? Leave Cad Jpy now. Gotta see what happens with GJ.
Yeah, focus.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens with GJ. Then we go to another trade if it's needed. Maybe this gives us a good setup, good pips, because the setup is good. Then after that, we'll see. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. We don't have a whole day here. Give us something. Let's go. Move on. Take profit is when you're pleased with the profits. That's when you take profits. When you are pleased enough. So I'm not pleased yet. We need at least 10 pips. At least. Yeah, it is sunny, but it's not. It's a sun with. How do you guys say? When it's cold, but the sun is out. Do you have a saying? We have a saying, but I don't know how to say it on English. We say a sun with teeth. No, it's like very cold, even though it's sunny. My name is the name that you see on YouTube. SEAD. Sad.
Saad.
Which means happiness.
Yes, always
really?
happiness. Yeah, it's an Arabic
Yeah.
language.
You didn't know that?
You
I didn't know that. No.
I represent happiness.
Hey, he's
That's true.
happiness.
Your name should Saad. Your name should be patience, because you represent patience.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, maybe.
Calm.
Yeah.
Calm should be your name.
I'll add that in the middle of my name and
Your second
surname.
name. Second name. Happiness, calm. Calm, happiness.
You name your son Patience.
Yeah, maybe I should name my son Patience.
Sabr.
Yeah.
But as a name, I don't know.
Yeah, there's name sabr in our country. Please just have sabr, okay? Now I'm gonna use this different word in Arabic, sabr. Let's go, Gigi, let's go. The more I stay here, the more water I drink. Don't make me do this, DJ. I'm drinking too much. What happens if the candle closes exactly as it is now? Nothing. We get another good confirmation. Price closing below support, which means next candle should push to the downside. That's at least what I expect. Are you Muslim? Yes, I am. Is he a full-time trader? Yes, he is. Why are you asking them? Ask me. Are you? Is he?
Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
Oh, Daniel. Maybe if I have two sons, I'll give one of them should be named break and the other one the retest. That's a good idea. My first account size, I don't know, I think 200 euros it was. Traded oil first day. Crazy. Trading oil without any information, nothing. Grant is back with a Viking warrior. Who the hell is that guy? What is a Viking warrior?
They look like you said. Vikings.
Really?
Yeah, just Google.
Yeah, man, it's true.
Let me see. What should I... Viking?
Yeah, just Viking.
Viking warriors.
Yes.
The
Beard,
beer.
hair, everything.
Hair, the beer.
No, don't you see a difference, Day? Because I cut my beard a bit.
A little bit, right?
Yeah, got younger. Every time I get a haircut, I feel like 5 years younger.
Oh yeah, I can see it now.
Now these warriors, these Viking warriors, they're all old. They're old.
Here in Ireland, you know the Viking series?
I don't watch that. Actually, I don't.
Yeah, it's on Netflix.
Yeah, it's recorded here in Ireland. And we hire people like with big birds and also a big hair that looks like Viking, and then pay a lot of money.
Maybe I should come to Ireland.
Yeah.
In case trading goes wrong.
Yeah, we're moving to Ireland.
You have your movie career here.
Oh, interesting. Interesting.
You just moved to Portugal. Why do you want to go to Ireland?
Look, I don't like it that much here. I've seen the series, but I wasn't really interested on it.
Just the 2 or 3 seasons are good, and then the rest is bullshit.
Really?
Yeah, at least in my opinion, I mean.
I'm watching Suits right now.
Suits is good, man.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very
I like Suits, very good. I like these kind of shows that have, like with lawyers and all these.
Have you seen Billions?
Also billions, yeah.
Billions is good.
But I stopped it in the middle somewhere with billions. Right now I'm watching Suits and it's very nice.
Ted, have you
Very
watched Saul Goodman?
uh,
No, no.
what?
Better Call Saul.
Oh,
Yeah,
Better
Better
Call
Call Saul.
Saul. Yeah,
Yeah,
I've seen it, but no, I haven't seen it yet. I saw it on Netflix. Never watched it. Is it good?
it's very good. Like after Breaking Bad,
Yeah,
it's
but
the best.
Yeah, I
Breaking
saw.
Bad is much better.
Yeah, I was Breaking Bad a bit. Some episodes. It was very good.
But all the characters of Breaking Bad, that Los Polos guy and everyone is back in Better Call Saul.
Yeah.
Tuco,
Oh yeah, because the actor that plays Better Call Saul plays in Breaking Bad, I think.
yes, he is a
Yeah.
very good lawyer.
Yeah.
I will hire
Old.
him.
And yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe when I finish Suits, I'll take a look at Breaking Bad. No, Breaking Bad. I'm somewhere in the middle, I think. But maybe Better Call Saul. I'll check it. GJ is pushing. We have 6 pips now. 6.45. Yeah, we went from 6.4 to 5 in a second. Let's see. It's a good sign. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Next candle should push to the downside. At least 10 pips. We gotta catch here. At least 10 pips. At least. Let's go. 300 at least. Let's go, GJ. 300 at least. 1% would be enough here.
Whoa, yeah, let's get it.
GJ. I looked at the chat when I turned
Yeah,
back.
we have 8 pips.
8.4. Let's go to 7 now.
8.4. Where did you enter?
I
40
know.
plus
9.1 now. 10.2.
Yeah,
Nice.
Come on,
11, 12. See, guys, last minute is always
yeah. You
gonna
got 5 minutes
be
for the 1 hour to close. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. I have almost 1%. You know what? I'm gonna close some here.
Yeah,
11, 12 pips.
go to 28 at least.
I don't want to see this going up again. Yeah, I got 0.84%. Now it pushed up. No, I haven't closed yet.
I closed some at 10 pips. Now I'm waiting a bit.
Have you moved your stop to break even, Seth?
Not yet. Let's see, next candle should push down, Give us a few more. Let's see. Still waiting. Because I think the next candle should push lower. Give us, if I get one more time, 10, 11 pips, I'm serious. Because I hesitated not close and then came back a bit. But no worries. Since we're closing below now, we have even a better chance for some more continuation. 2 minutes left, we close, and then we'll see what happens. We're still at 9 pips, 10, somewhere in the middle of 9 and 10. 10 again.
Perfect.
Let's go.
We talked about it.
Nick,
We waited.
how much you're in profit, Nick? You make 1 or 2%? Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Give us a push. It's better now to secure some because next candle might pull back again, and we might have to wait for a lot more.
It's a 4-hour candle, so be careful.
Yes, so Yeah, I got 0.90%, 12 pips on C Trader. I'm closing at 12 pips, and I'm leaving some run.
You moving to break even, right?
Yeah, moving to break even now. On C Trader, I closed everything. It's a good 1%. We're up to 3% now. Good. I want to take as much as I can. Now, yeah, leave a runner, leave some, or leave 50%, or it's up to you. But I don't want to see this coming all the way up again. So protect your profits. Stop loss at break even. SL at BB. Stop loss at break
You
even.
need to
Yeah.
go to 28
Yeah.
at
This
least.
one, if it goes below the previous two candles, we are going down. But another trade, another win.
Winner.
It's great.
We talked about exactly the things. Said you also said we will wait, and in the last minute it can move. It mostly moves in the last 30 minutes, and it just did what you said.
Yeah, man. Like same thing is repeating every time. And
Patience.
we hired a new guy. Now this new guy looks good. This new guy looks good. He did a good job today. We're giving him another week.
Another week. We hire weekly.
Yeah, we hire weekly. If you're not good, you're gone next week. Good trade. We'll see now. It's better to protect your profits. It might look if it comes all the way up again. That's not a good sign. So better secure some, right? Because we already got more than 10 pips rejection. Made 300 on this one. Nice, nice. What about 4-hour pullback? Yeah, 4 hours closed now, right? Might have a 4-hour retest. Like if you made money, yes. Like if you made money. Look, 4-hour can come for a retest. Very nice, very nice. Let's go. Yesterday we had 400 likes. Today only 200. We took a win. Let's go. Look, if it makes another retest on the 4-hour, we might be melting to the downside. Aga, did you finish? Did you finish? Tell me you did. Oh, not yet. Not yet. How much left? 0.6. Oh no. Let's see. Let's see. This might still give you more. I hope it doesn't make a retest at all. Gives you what you need. Are we at break even now? Okay. Careful, because you have still time. I think so.
Yeah, I think she has time until 1st December it was. So there's still 3 trading days plus today.
Yeah, Tuesday.
And
yeah.
she's very close, right? I wasn't that close, to be honest.
Yeah, now even if she takes a trade for 0.50%, you can still finish it. No, I'm gonna consider this done. Consider that done, because you've already done it. You've already done it. till Tuesday. You got tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday. Wow, plenty of time. You got $12 and 2 lots. That's wrong. That's wrong. What the hell is happening there? Do you have a 10 pip spread? Because you only if you have a 10 pip spread you have to be that low. Like,
Well, closing at break even is like is like that.
I don't know. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum.
That do you think the chances are high to reject from here, like not to do a deep 4-hour retest since
Look,
we already got a retest?
Yeah, chances are there to reject even from here, but not very high chance, you know, because the GJ can do a lot more tries here than continue still to the downside. You know, it doesn't mean that it's going to continue just with one, but we've seen where GJ doesn't make retests, right? So this can be one of these occasions where GJ doesn't make a 4-hour pullback and goes straight to the next zone.
Yet, can you switch at Euro USD? It's not that of a clean setup, but on 1 hour, I think it's looking good.
Skip.
1 hour.
Ash, very sorry to say, but you know, 1 hour looks good, yeah. But the 4-hour level is very close. I don't know, honestly. And this is the famous 4-hour level. Oh, wait may be better for a better setup. Wait for a better setup. Let's go GJ, let's go fill the 4-hour wick. Let's go fill the 4-hour wick. Look, if it goes below this, it's done. It's going to go all the way to the downside.
It is going to 16. Oh, 20, sorry.
Yeah, you know, if it breaks 145, 200 again, price might continue all the way to the downside and go to that next daily level.
We're making a swing trade out of that until Brexit news coming.
Oh yeah, we have a speech, right, coming up.
Bro, also look at EJ.
Yeah, Ash, did you want to say something?
He said, look at EJ.
Or EJ? I
Yeah.
thought he said GJ.
And this thing looks like it wants to break the low.
Yes,
Yeah.
it does. Let's
Gonna
go,
to-
GJ, break that low. Break that low. Break a leg. How do they say break a leg?
I don't know.
That's when they don't pay you.
Oh. I thought it was something good. Hey, break a leg. Like, have good luck.
Oh,
It is-
they actually say it in German like that. In Germany like that.
No, they do
Neck-
say that.
Neck
do
and
say that.
no, neck and break your leg and neck is like for good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same, right?
It's the
Break your
same,
neck. Like saying kill yourself. Kill yourself.
Here in Spain, we say like good luck is a lot of shit.
Oh,
Now,
you're weird, man.
Yeah, it's
And-
a bit weird.
And Carlos, how is it in Spain and in Kosovo when a bird shits on you? Is it for luck or
Yeah, that's good luck, man.
yeah? In
Yeah.
Germany too. How is it in Kosovo?
Oh, you get dirty. There's nothing
They
there.
say it's good luck.
Oh, it's stupid then. How is a bird shitting on you gonna be good luck?
It's like
Like
God selected.
what if you're going to a job interview and that happens and they see you all dirty and they then don't take you?
And maybe they take you, man.
Maybe
Before
they do, but who knows?
for exam period, like before I have the week of exams, run under birds. You know, when they fly, I run under them so they shit on me.
You're in the middle of the park waiting. Here I am. Shit on me.
Uh, we gotta when we enter the trade, we gotta go outside and go where somewhere where there's a lot of birds. Maybe they. I'll take anything. Just go DJ
you,
down.
you enter and then you go out to the streets
Yeah.
looking for birds.
When you come back, it already hit your take
Yeah,
profit.
already take profit.
Oh. Oh, I'm only looking good today and relaxed. Every day, not only today. We are relaxed every day.
See, yeah, you have the same face if you win or you lose.
Yeah?
Because he's already rich. He doesn't need that bit.
Yeah, he doesn't care. He just
This just is
time passed.
one more trophy in the collection.
Ooh.
Put the magnet, please. No, it's already done the job. Now, GJ needs to do it.
You know,
Now we
every
gotta
time we
push
put this
below
guy
it.
up, we need to pay him. You know, no reason. We already got a boost.
Yeah, it's taking some percentage. Gotta stop doing that. See, look, for you guys that have some small percentage left to do, wait for USD Cats. Sooner or later, uh, it's gonna come below here. Sooner or later. So we'll see. Every single day. We are streaming every day. Oh, $80 profit in GJ. Should I hold more take the profit? Well, take the profit. $80, nice. Buy something. EJ, oh sorry, I forgot about DJ. Cause Ash said about EJ too. Forgot about EJ. Well, I don't know what to say actually. EJ did 4, almost 5 pip breakout. It's making a retest. 4 hours, same level, but I think it might come here. This level here. Because I see a rejection at this level. See these rejections? See this and this? Since it came all the way deeper, should come here, probably. I'm skipping this, I don't know, I just doesn't feel safe. Even though the previous candle is a very good close. It's a very good close. 1 hour is also good close, not bad. I just think it might come higher. It already did, but based on the 4 hour, we have a lot of rejections. See, we have more rejections on this zone than on this. See, on this one, it doesn't really fit on the 4 hour, but this higher one is way better, I think. So wait maybe for price to come at 244 at least. That
Said
can be a good chance.
we can consider it as a 4 hour retest because and take that on that 24th level.
Yeah, I think it's gonna come here. or it might be just a deeper retest. But at this level, I don't think I'm gonna take it. But it makes a lot of sense to have more continuation. You see this 4-hour candle close very nice. I don't see this going all the way up. It wouldn't make any kind of sense at all. So what I would expect is a deeper retest at 250, 240. That's where I would have an entry maybe. But I really want to wait for USD Cad. I don't know if it's gonna come. It has closed above the zone 2. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait. How's EJ on the daily? Good question. Let's take a look. It's actually at support. It's actually at support, I think. It's right at support. Daily's a mess. I don't know. I'm gonna skip it. I think I'm gonna skip EJ. Yeah, I think I'm gonna skip it. What do you think about EU? EU is the next 4-hour zone is very close. I'm gonna skip it. Oh, look at EA. All the way down. EA is crazy. It is the craziest pair I've ever seen. UJ, USD Cad, Aussie Dollar. Look, Aussie Dollar might give us something. Still there, hasn't gone too far. If it breaks above, we'll take a trade here, and looks very good. Looks very good. Let's see, here is where were we? At NZD US dollar. GJ is still here. Runner, we'll see where it goes. Cad Jpy, if it breaks below 80.100, 120. Below 120 can be very good. Euro NZD didn't break up, came all the way down, sitting at support. Yeah, true. We need a good break on Aussie dollar because of the daily, because daily is a little bit higher, like 2-3 pips above, and we gotta have a good breakout. Interesting. Eurocad, interesting close, good close, but right coming from support. Okay, I think I'm gonna go now, guys. Wish you the best for today. We had a good trade. Not a very big move, but at least we got something, right? So moving on to the next part of the day, we'll see what happens during London. Maybe we'll get another trade. No rush to take a second trade right away, okay?
It's also US bank holidays, right?
Yeah. So don't take anything after like in 1 hour.
Oh, you have US. Yeah, we can't expect from Aussie dollar that much too. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see later on. We don't have to rush straight to the next trade. You know, we have time to wait and see which one is good, which one is bad, to pick a good setup. So for now, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. We'll keep in touch as always on the group and YouTube. Have a nice day until tomorrow. See you everyone. Do we have a holiday tomorrow too? Actually, it says that there's no high risk news tomorrow. High impact news. There's no high impact news tomorrow. Great. Thank you
Thank
guys.
you very much.
Good session.
Thanks, Siad.
Thank you
Thank you
for this
too.
great call again, Sad, yesterday, today. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Baidu.
See you later. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you everyone for being here. Leave a like or subscribe or whatever you want, or just leave the stream. Who cares? Very thank you for coming today.